Hello, everyone, and welcome to Champion English.
Yay!
Hello, everyone,
Hello,
and welcome to Champion English. I'm Mrs. Palmer, and this is
Koya.
Koya is my student. He just came from Japan 2 days ago. Well, actually, just yesterday.
Yes.
Okay, so today our lesson is on greetings. Can you say greetings?
Greetings.
Okay, so the first thing we're doing today is welcome. Welcome, Koya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. We're happy to have him. Okay, so we have here introductions. Can you say introductions?
Intro.
Duck.
Introductions.
Introductions. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I am your teacher.
I am
I am your.
your
So you
student.
can say yes. So I'm going to say I am your teacher, and you're going to say I am your student. Okay? So we're going to try it again. Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I am your teacher.
I am your student.
Yay! Koya is here. Okay, so here we put I am your teacher and you are my student. Okay? And that's how we do our introductions. Now we're going to go on to our greetings. Come on, everyone. Greetings.
Greetings.
Okay, your greetings are like this. So your first greeting will be hi,
Hi.
hello,
Hello.
and guess what? Welcome.
Welcome.
Yep, that is a greeting. Welcome is being nice to people and is giving people a greeting. Okay, then we have good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so I'm going to put this up here for you. Good morning. And then what do we say after good morning, Koya? Good afternoon. Come on, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, and then the third one would be good evening. Come on, good evening.
Good evening.
So good morning,
Good morning.
good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
good evening.
Good evening.
Morning,
Morning.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock
8
a.m.
o'clock.
Afternoon,
Afternoon.
3 o'clock.
3.
Evening, 6, 7, 8 o'clock.
Oh.
Oh, that's good, huh? And then we're going to have good night, which means what time did you go to bed last night?
I went to bed at 10 o'clock.
Okay, so 10 o'clock, good night. So while we make some clocks up here, we're going to make this one right here. Well, we're going to put like this. A.M. Come on, A.M.
A.M.
This one would be P.M.
P.M.
This one would be P.M.,
P.M.
which means nighttime. And actually, this is our little clock, so that would be the 12. And I guess the 10 would be right about there. So that's going to be 10 p.m. because you went to bed at 10 p.m., right?
Yes.
And then guess what? Also, goodbye. Come on, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye is also a greeting. So let's try this again. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Yes. So, when you speak the English language, put your hands up and wave. So say, welcome.
Welcome.
That means come in, come closer. Yes. Welcome.
Welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Notice the head goes up when you say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It means it's getting late.
Getting late.
It's getting late.
It's getting late.
Good evening.
Good evening.
That means don't talk too much. I got to go home to my family. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night.
See you later.
See you later.
Don't stop me. I'm leaving now. Don't stop me.
Don't stop me.
I'm leaving now.
I'm leaving now.
That's right. And then goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
All right, let's try it again. You're going to do it by yourself this time.
Hi. Hello. Welcome. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Goodbye.
Wow, superb. I'm going to give that an A+. Let me put the A+ right up here. That was just perfect, Koya. So that covers our greetings. Guess what, students? Now you have a little homework. Did you know you had homework today?
No.
He does. His homework is write each word. Come on, write each word
Write each word.
one time. Okay? So you're going to write hi,
Hi.
hello,
Hello.
welcome.
Welcome.
So be sure to write, come on, write
Write
each word
each word
one
one
time.
time.
Then you're going to do good morning,
Good morning.
good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
good evening,
Good evening.
good night,
Good night.
goodbye.
Goodbye.
And we'll see you in the next video.